In the first paragraph, what we learn? Sally was traveling into space. She was sitting into the shuttle at window side and she was enjoying all the panorama from the window side. And how he was getting high and high from the earth. The earth was looking very small. All the clouds disappeared and the sky was looking dark black, and on the dark platform of the sky the stars were shining very brightly. Now we will see. This trip to the moon was extraordinarily expensive, but still Stylish mother had sent her on the trip. Trip on the moon was very expensive. Extraordinarily means too much expensive. बहुत ही खर्चिक थी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैसे लगते थे उसके लिए. Then also, Saily's mother decided to send her on the trip. Why? Because in her childhood, she not enjoyed such a trip. क्योंकि साइली की मम्मी ने उसकी चाइल्डहुड में ऐसी ट्रिप कभी एंजॉय नहीं की थी. That's why what she was thinking. Though I have not enjoyed such a trip, I have not got the chance. मुझे ऐसा तो चांस नहीं मिला, लेकिन मेरी बेटी को तो मैं ऐसा चांस दे दूंगी. In our childhood, we could not even think of such long distance trip. The longest trip meant going to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said Mummy. This is, whose opinion is this? Saily's mother's opinion. Saily's की मम्मी का क्या ओपिनियन है? देखो क्या कहती है वो. In our childhood, we could not even think of such long distance trip. मेरी चाइल्डहुड में तो हमने ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि इतनी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस की ट्रिप होगी. हमारे चाइल्डहुड में लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस लॉन्ग टूर की ट्रिप कौन सी थी? गोइंग टू यूरोप. यूरोप जाना यही सबसे लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस की ट्रिप थी. लेकिन तुझे अगर ऐसा मौका मिल रहा है, यू आर गेटिंग सच अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू शुड एंजॉय इट. ओ मम्मी, Neha's grandmother was saying that in their childhood, the longest trip for school children used to be only up to Delhi or Kolkata. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Sally laughing. Remembering the incident made her laugh even now. What Sally is saying कि नेहा की ग्रैंडमदर क्या बोल रही थी कि उनके चाइल्डहुड में तो बस लॉन्गेस्ट ट्रिप कहाँ तक थी? दिल्ली या कोलकाता. कितना फनी है ना ये. ऐसा बोल के उसको हंसी आ रही थी. Now the shuttle was getting closer and closer to the moon. Then it started orbiting the moon. In every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed one revolution around the moon. Now, their shuttle was getting very close to the moon. And when he reached too much close to moon, it started orbiting around the moon. समुद्र का मून का जो ऑर्बिट था, उस मून की जो कक्षा थी, उसी की कक्षा में उसी के ऑर्बिट में वो भी क्या कर रहा था? इट स्टार्टेड ऑर्बिटिंग अबाउट द मून. एंड इट वाज टेकिंग हाउ मेनी मिनट्स फॉर कंप्लीट वन रिवॉल्यूशन अराउंड द मून? इट वाज टेकिंग 32 मिनट्स फॉर कंप्लीटिंग one revolution around the moon. Light and darkness followed each other in quick succession. Means when they reached too close to the moon, at that time, light and darkness, they were following each other in very quick succession. I said when it was taking round and round, sometimes they used to see light and sometimes it was too much dark. The dome-shaped settlements on the moon, which resembled the igloos on the Eskimos, were now visible. And when they reached near the moon surface, what they see? They saw the dome-shaped के ऐसे कुछ होम दिखाई दे रहे थे उनको. They saw home-shaped settlements on the moon. And when they look the dome-shaped settlements, what they remember? They remember द इग्लूज ऑफ एस्किमोज। और उन्होंने जब एक मून पर के डोम शेप के सेटलमेंट्स देखे तो उनको किस बात की याद आई? तो उनको एस्किमोज की याद आई। आफ्टर सम टाइम साइलीज शटल मेड अ स्लो मेजर्ड एंड सेफ लैंडिंग ऑन द मून। और कुछ समय के बाद साइली का जो शटल था उसने एक स्लो मेजर्ड मीन्स केयरफुल लैंडिंग हो गई उसकी मून पर। वेरी स्लो एंड मेजर्ड मीन्स कंफर्टेबल, केयरफुली उसने लैंडिंग हो गई। द शटल वॉज लैंडेड ऑन द मून। द डोर ऑफ द शटल वॉज ओपन and the children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. And how the shuttle was landed on the moon? The shuttle was landed on the moon in a slow and measured manner. In the slow and comfortable manner, it was landed on the moon. After that, the door of the shuttle was opened, and all the children, they were escorted, means they were taken very carefully towards the dome shaped settlement at Neil Armstrong base. Neil Armstrong base is the name of such a place. The receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instruction at the very outset, and when the children reached at the Neil Armstrong base settlement, वो सेटलमेंट का एक नाम है, जहाँ वो डोम शेप का सेटलमेंट था और वो जो प्लेस है उसी को नाम दिया था नील आर्मस्ट्रांग बेस, वेयर फर्स्ट मैन रीच्ड ऑन द मून and his footprints were there. That's why that place was given the name Neil Armstrong base. All the children were now where they were at the Neil Armstrong base, and there one receptionist was there. She gave some instruction to the children. I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base. You make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable. I would like you to take certain precautions. At first, what the receptionist did, she welcomed all the students, all the children she welcomed. And what she said, you came for the trip on the moon. You want to enjoy your trip. You want to stay on the moon very pleasantly and comfortably. That's why you have to follow some instructions. And she started to give the instructions. Listen the instructions. What are the instructions? Listen carefully to my instructions and please follow them during your stay. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. In the human settlements on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially mentioned. But outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. You will have to be extremely careful when you roam around here. What was her first instruction? That whenever the students are roaming outside, they have to roam very carefully. Why? Because the gravitational force of moon is 6 times less than that of earth. And inside the settlements, which settlements are made, inside the settlement, the gravitational force is equivalent to the earth. That's why when you will roam outside, you have to walk very carefully. Otherwise, you will fall down. The second point to remember is related to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Please buy the articles only from the shops which are inside the dome-shaped settlements. There you will be assured to genuine articles. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. Which two important instructions that receptionist has given? First instruction was, when you are roaming outside the settlements, you should be careful while walking, because their gravitational force of moon is on work. And when you want to purchase something, when you want to take some souvenirs, you have to purchased from the authorized shop from the settlements or the dome-shaped settlements, and she gave them best wishes for their stay. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. तो बच्चों के लिए 3 दिन का प्रोग्राम था मून पर. According to the Earth calculations, on the moon, there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Sky Watch. Now their 3 days program started, and according to the Earth calculation, there are 3 days of 15 days are of light and 15 days are of dark. And what was the first day program? Their first day program was Sky Watch. On the Earth, it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. Whenever we look towards the sky from Earth, mostly the sky looks foggy, जिसको अपन ढगाल बोलते हैं, है ना? That's why the stars don't seem brightly. They see rarely. But when they were observing the sky was totally black, and that's why on the dark black background, the moon was the sky, the stars were shining very brightly. Dazzling bright means very bright. What was the first day program? The first day program was Sky Watch. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the Earth. In the moon sky, the Earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the Earth sky. It was also 70 times brighter. The Earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful enchanting view made Sally and her friends ecstatic, means very pleasant. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited and uncomfortable at the same time. What was the most attractive view of the disk of the Earth? Was that disk of the Earth. In the moon sky, the Earth looked 13 times bigger. जब वो मून से अर्थ देख रहे तो वो कैसी दिख रही थी, और 13 टाइम्स बड़ी दिख रही थी. इट वॉज लुकिंग 13 टाइम्स बिगर देन द मून, and it was looking very very bright. Looking all these things was very very pleasant. All the children were feeling asleep. They were tired, but they were too much excited. That's why they don't want to sleep. This was the first day's program. Skywatch was the first day's program. Now the second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. What was the second day's program? Circus was the second day's program. One unique features of the circus was the sitting arrangement. The spectators were made to sit in the tent and the circus was going on the outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attractions. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. What we are learning? At first we have studied she was traveling into the shuttle, sitting into the shuttle, she was traveling towards moon. When they reach on the moon, they were escorted to the Neil Armstrong base. The receptionist has given two more important instruction. The first day program was Skywatch, and what is the second day program? The second day's program was circus. And what was the unique feature of the circus? Unique feature of the circus was sitting arrangement. What is special about the sitting arrangement? The spectators had made to sit inside the dome-shaped settlements, and the circus was going on outside the settlement. The high jumps and long jumps were the special attraction of the circus. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. It was possible on the moon. Why? Because the gravitational force of moon is less than that of earth. That's why it was possible on the moon. On both the days, besides the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. और दोनों ही दिन, फर्स्ट डे और सेकंड डे में, some time was reserved. For what it was reserved? To visit various settlements, which were the man-made settlements, artificial settlements. तो उनके लिए विजिट करने के लिए कुछ टाइम रिजर्व किया था. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study. And what this time was reserved? This time was reserved for students to visit the different settlements, to observe the things and to write something, to do self-study. The teacher had assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spent their time on the moon, which places were visited, what they observed, etc. And this time was reserved for visiting different settlements, to do keen observation, to enjoy the things and to study self-study karna. And the teacher has given them a task to write an essay how they spent their time on the moon. Sally and her friend had travelled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. Sally and her friends, they travelled far and wide, means बहुत दूर तक उन्होंने ट्रैवलिंग किया मून पर, and they enjoyed all the sights. On the third day, their teacher took them to a place of historical importance. And on the third day, the teacher took them to a historical importance place. एक historical importance का जो place था, वहाँ उनके टीचर ने उनको ले गए. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Before 100 years ago, a man who visited moon first time. Who was that man? Who was that person? Neil Armstrong. And that's why this place where he put his first foot on the moon, that place is named as Neil Armstrong Base. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Everyone was looking forward to this visit to the historical monument. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moonland. Beside the footprint was a grand statue of Armstrong. At the base of the statue was carved the first words uttered by a human on the moon. One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. और वहाँ नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग का बड़ा स्टैचू बनाया गया था, और उसकी जो पहली फुटप्रिंट थी वो भी प्रिजर्व की थी, और उसका जो स्टैचू था, उसके स्टैचू के बाजू में इसके नीचे क्या लिखा था? वन स्मॉल स्टेप फॉर अ मैन. आदमी ने बनाया हुआ एक कदम पूरे मानव जाति के लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ी प्रगति है, ऐसा लिखा गया था. The next attraction for the children was that they were going to wear the space suits for the first time. और दूसरा और एक अट्रैक्शन क्या था कि वो बच्चे पहली टाइम स्पेस सूट पहनने जा रहे थे. Then they were going to roam outside, experiencing the gravitational force of the moon. तो वो क्या कर रहे थे? स्पेस सूट पहन के मून का जो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है वो एंजॉय करने के लिए अभी बाहर जा रहे थे. बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू वॉक, डियर चिल्ड्रन, डोंट रन और स्प्रिंट, you will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly. And now where were the students? Now the students were ready to roam around outside the settlements. So what they did, they wore the space suit, and when the children get out of the settlements, the teacher were warning them again and again. What teacher was warning them? Be careful, carefully chalo, otherwise don't run, otherwise you will fall down. The teacher was warning repeatedly, but who was in the mood to listen? They hopped, jumped and ran around. टीचर बार बार इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे थे, वार्निंग दे रहे थे, लेकिन कोई सुनने के मूड में नहीं था. Everyone want to hop, everyone want to jump and enjoy. Buy ornaments, specially made from the stones on the moon, very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops in the settlement, cheaper and better. At least have a look. The roadside shopkeepers screamed at the top of their voice. Means now the students were roaming outside the settlements, and there were some shops, and the shopkeepers, they were calling the students, they were shouting that buy these ornaments, they are made up of stones of the moon, they are very cheaper than the ornaments inside the settlements. So come, just look. If you don't want to buy, but have a look. By this way, they were calling the children, and they were making them to purchase the ornaments. Buy, sister, buy. I am selling these earrings really cheap. Saying this, he approached Sally and displayed the sets of shining stones earrings. One person, he reached near Sally and said, buy, sister, buy. I am selling these earrings really very cheap. Sally suddenly remembered her mother. Within these 3 days, she forgot all the things of home. But when she saw the earrings, she remembered her mother. And she forget the instruction that we have to purchase the ornaments, or we have to purchase the things only from the settlements. Sally suddenly remembered her mother. Tomorrow they were to start on their return journey. दूसरे दिन उनकी रिटर्न जर्नी स्टार्ट होने वाली थी. She had completely forgotten her mother in the last 3 days. She felt terribly guilty. 3 दिनों में उसको मम्मी की याद भी नहीं आई थी, तो उसके लिए उसको क्या लगा, बहुत गिल्टी फील हो गया, बहुत गिल्टी फील हो गया उसको. Buy these, sister. Don't think much. Cheaper and better. Take it. और वो आदमी उसको बहुत फोर्स कर रहा था, फोर्सफुली वो कर रहा था. Buy these things. These are very cheap. These are very good things. Come on, give me those earrings, quick. Sally pointed at them and asked her, what's the price? And Sally ने क्या कहा? She pointed towards the red color earrings and she said him, give me these red earrings. And what is the cost of these earrings? What is the price of these earrings? Only 1,000 rupees, replied the salesman. तो सेल्समैन ने क्या जवाब दिया? उसकी कीमत क्या है? ओनली 1,000 rupees. Sally immediately paid the amount, took the earrings and ran to catch up with her friends. Immediately Sally paid the amount and she purchased the earrings. On returning home, Sally told her mother very enthusiastically, Mummy, look what I have brought for you. And जब घर आने के बाद बहुत उत्साह से एंथुजियास्टिकली उसने मम्मी को कहा कि मम्मी देखो मैंने तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया है. Her mother picked up the earrings. She exclaimed, hello dear, how am I going to wear such heavy earrings? उसकी मम्मी ने जब वो इयरिंग्स उठाए तो उसने क्या कहा कि तूने तो लाए हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन इतने हेवी इयरिंग्स मैं कैसे क्या पहनूं. Sally immediately realized her mistake. और सैली को अभी उसकी मिस्टेक समझ में आ गई. What was her mistake? She had purchased the earrings from outside the settlements. Sally had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity. She has purchased the earrings from the moon's gravity, that's why they were so heavy. Do you understood the lesson? Yes. How many days they stay on the moon? They stayed on the moon for 3 days. What was their first day's program? Do you remember? The first day's program was sky watch. Second day's program was circles, and the third day's program was visiting the historical place Neil Armstrong base, and roaming around the moon into the moon's gravity and enjoy it. It was the 3 days program of the students. Okay, read the lesson carefully, underline hard words and complete the writing work. Okay.